Ever wonder why your grocery bill feels higher every single month? Let's talk about the rising cost of living in Canada, because yeah, it's a lot. Inflation has been on a wild ride lately, and it's not just some abstract headline, it's affecting your day-to-day life, especially when it comes to groceries and rent. Let's break it down. Inflation is basically when prices for stuff go up over time. And lately, that over time part feels more like right now. For example, since 2020, the average grocery bill has shot up by over 20%. That means the same basket of food you bought a couple years ago now costs way more. And your paycheck isn't rising as fast. Housing? Even wilder. In places like Ontario, prices have gone parabolic, meaning they're skyrocketing, not just inching up. Renting a one-bedroom in Toronto? That'll cost you about $2,500 a month, no joke. It's not the same everywhere though. Some provinces like Manitoba or Quebec have seen slower price hikes, but no one's totally immune. So, what's driving all this? A mix of global supply issues, increased demand, and higher costs for businesses. Basically, it's a perfect storm. The bottom line? Your money isn't stretching as far as it used to, and that's stressful. But knowing why it's happening is the first step to taking charge of your finances. Want more tips on surviving inflation and making your money work harder? Hit that subscribe button and stick with us for more cost of living explainers.